how much money you're planning to make in the lifetime of this business. And we can go through war stories, both of us, in a full entire day. But I give an example of one that, unfortunately, this couple was going to take over a restaurant in South Florida. They wanted me to do a management agreement. Mm-hmm. And I said, I quoted them the rate. They said, no, I don't want to do it. That's fine. No problem. They went ahead and did it, downloaded a form from the web. Mm-hmm. And 6 months later, they called me. And I felt terrible for them. And I said, what happened? Well, the owner did not pay the lease of the restaurant. Mm-hmm. And we got evicted, and we have mm-hmm. equipment in there. Mm-hmm. And when I look at the agreement that they signed, it had a AAA arbitration, which is astronomical, mm-hmm. had all these provisions, and they lost everything. And so, the question that I put, what is this worth to you? How much money you're planning to make in the lifetime of this business? You're going to be making $500,000 a year for the next 10 years. For example, or you're going to grow the business. It's worth a few $1,000s to get a proper agreement that you can enforce or protect you. And I think the analogy I have is like, listen, try to give yourself a haircut. It's not going to come out well, or you go to a barber to get it done properly. And you should have a professional do it, especially something as important as estate planning or business succession. You have to have a professional do it for you.